How to delete a watch list in TradingView. Now, in order to delete a watch list from your TradingView, you just simply need to open your TradingView app, and then this watch list will appear, or the chart will appear in your TradingView at very first. And from here, if you want to remove a specific watch list, simply tap to this icon. In order to show your watch list, simply tap there, and then you are going to see so many indices and watch list. Among these, you can select any of the watch list from here. Now, in order to delete any of the specific watch list, you just simply need to select the one which you would like to delete, and this delete icon will appear beside that watch list. For example, let's select SPX. If you want to delete the SPX, just simply tap to the dustbin icon beside that specific watch list, and then that will be removed from your watch list in TradingView. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.